Hi, this is Tim Boss, the editor of Financial Cycles Weekly at financialcyclesweekly.com, and I'm here to share some information about the stock market vortex of 2010, some of the enormous astrological impacts on the stock market that we are already seeing unfolding and can expect more impact from during the coming weeks and months. With the stock market vortex, what we've already seen just in this recent trading, when we had a major downward movement in the market indices. This is the Dow Industrials here on Thursday, May 6th, about 1,000-point drop within the course of a day. Of course, a little bit of a rebound after that, another big down day following that. And a lot of people have been asking what's going on astrologically with the markets. Well, what's happening is that we are in the middle of a very unusual phenomenon here. I'm calling it the stock market vortex because it is an extended period of planetary alignments that will impact the markets in a major way, and we can expect ongoing results throughout the spring and summer of 2010 from this series of planetary configurations. So what we wanted to look at today was what exactly causes the stock market vortex. Well, there are a number of factors that combine to make this happen and to have this extended influence at work in the markets. But the main thing we want to focus on is a very rare clustering of astrological dynamics in a fairly limited time frame. This gives us the vortex point, the major inflection point, the focal point of the entire vortex period. Now, this focal point will be taking place at the end of May through the 1st of June. We're already feeling the effects of this in mid-May as we approach that. In fact, in mid-April we began to see some of the precursor effects, and this will continue well past June all the way through the summer months. But during this concentrated period, that we have a focal point that includes a full moon. Now, this in and of itself is not an unusual event. We get one of these every month, but it does intensify the other astrological aspects that occur. We'll get an ingress of Uranus, the first time in 84 years that Uranus will be moving into the sign of Aries. And within a couple of days we'll also have a direct station by the planet Saturn and a retrograde station by the planet Neptune. And with all of these factors combining, we'll have additional hidden astrological factors at work that cluster together to give us an enormous impact. The question is, how can we handle this series of astrological events? Is it going to function for us as a booby trap? Or will it be a power zone that can offer us incredible opportunities for market profits? A lot of people made a lot of money in the big one intraday downdraft on May the 6th, and there are other big opportunities ahead. Savvy traders understand that they can make money whether the market is going up or going down, and that's what we want to be taking a look at. That's why we've scheduled a special session to discuss in depth this powerful stock market vortex and how planetary timing can work to your advantage. We want to show you how you can profit from the planetary timing for the stock market vortex. What we're going to have is a live webinar, and we've scheduled that for the 14th of May. We do have a limited enrollment available for this. The seats are filling up fast. We made the announcement on this a day or two ago, and already we're seeing the registrations pouring in by the hundreds. But this will be scheduled for Friday, May 14th. We're starting at about 4:30 p.m., half an hour after the close of the market in New York time. And of course, wherever you are, whatever time zone, you can connect with us live at that time. Adjust it for your own time zone. Now, to get registration information, you simply go to http://tinyurl.com/vortex webinar. You'll get complete information on signing up for this exciting webinar that we'll have scheduled. I want to let you know that this is something that's taking place absolutely free. We had originally planned to charge for this, but because of the extreme need and the number of questions that we're getting on the planetary configurations right now, we've decided to open the doors, and as long as seats seats are available, you'll be able to register without cost for this webinar. But I do encourage you to move quickly because the seats are filling up fast. So hope to see you on the 14th of May.